做同你講個之前做嘅嘢先啊。咁咧，你暫時就唔會再有呢一種嘅 squat 噶啦。OK， 因為你呢度 block clean 已經可以做到85，但係你平時做嘅時候咧，你要注意呢啲咁嘅 block clean 呢啲咧，咩456呢啲咧，其實係冇乜意義嘅。所以你係70開始慢慢做，你寧願80 kilo 做多2組，都好過做呢450嘅。OK， 咁咧呢啲咧，呢啲地方咧，撳入去咧，咁你淨係俾咗一個8組俾我，咁你要話俾我聽，你嘅 pull up 究竟係分開幾多下，定係一次過做晒8下，定係分4下4下？你話俾我聽，做完之後會唔會覺得嗰啲壓力已經冇晒 ？OK， 你呢個 trap bar deadlift 一樣，呢啲70到90到110之間，其實都作用不大。你寧願熱身去到100、110咁上下，咁你開始少咁樣加上去，5公斤、8公斤咁加上去，咁對你嘅刺激會更加大。有你之後
性嘅阿 May 亦都係好重要嘅集體回憶。不過 Leanne 自己本身就提過，佢唔係一個任性嘅人，但係就有固執嘅時候。佢認為有時需要固執，想做嘅嘢就堅持去做。
你記得咯，咁之後我會擺一個咁嘅行路嘅嘢俾你嘅，你又唔需要你個巴上面。
You can add a whole bunch of weight. Tell the straps are
個巴上
everything
面
by
係唔需要
himself, so
擺
we're going to leave
嘢，
him
你
alone.
只係需要擺60 kilo，
And he is going to walk.
OK， 唔係60，
As you
一
can
開
tell,
始
with
應
any
該
yoke
係
walk, stability is the main
40一
factor.
邊，40一邊，OK， 40一邊，40一邊。
And as you can tell, the straps are everywhere.